Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Herb. Today I'm talking about how to make a chicken nugget sandwich. So first thing you do is you make some chicken nuggets. You can make them by scratch or you can go out and buy them. You get them from the refrigerator, cook them in the oven. Just get some chicken nuggets. Then of course you're going to need some bread. So I'll get the bread out right now. And you get quality bread or economical bread, whatever kind of bread you want. So basically I got the bread here. And I'm going to put the chicken nuggets on to the piece of bread, just like this, and put as many nuggets as you can onto the piece of bread. And it's like a lot of them, like that. Then you just take the other piece of bread and you put it on top of the chicken nugget, like this. And voila! Chicken nugget sandwich. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. Let's see how it tastes. Like chicken nuggets in a sandwich. Computed. Yeah.